Hello, welcome to Jane's Kitchen. Today I will make the easiest dish ever, Pad Kra Pao. First of all, you have to pound chilies and garlic together. And you will get this, chili and garlic. Alright, our ingredient: minced pork, basil leaves and carrot. Actually, it's up to you. Apart from carrot, you can choose other vegetable that you like. And like I show you, chili and garlic. For the oil, I use coconut cooking oil. Use only 2 tablespoons. Until the cooking oil is hot. Then you add chili and garlic. Wait until the chili and the garlic turns yellow. Then you add minced pork. Smell good. I will add carrots. Two teaspoons of stevia sweetener. A little bit of oyster sauce. I use oyster sauce that contain low sodium. And a little bit of fish sauce, low sodium too. Right? Let's taste it. Okay, more fish sauce. When the minced pork is cooked, then you turn off the stove. Add the basil leaves. And then it's done. You will get your stir-fry minced pork with basil leaves or Pad Kra Pao. Yeah, finish.